Place an empty plastic cup on the scale. Zero the scale. Use a second plastic cup to pour 200 grams of sand into the cup. Insert the funnel into the neck of the balloon. Make sure the bottom of the funnel extends into the body of the balloon. Pour the sand into the funnel. Use your fingers to gently push down on the body of the balloon, then release. This makes room for more sand to enter the balloon. Repeat until all of the sand has entered the body of the balloon. Remove the funnel. Tie a knot in the neck of the balloon. Use a permanent marker to label the balloon with its mass. Repeat this process for the 400-gram and 600-gram balloons. For these larger balloons, you may wish to inflate the balloon first to stretch it out. This will speed up the process of filling the balloon with sand. Inflating the balloon is not recommended when making the 200-gram balloons. For greater durability, consider doubling up the balloons. To do this, cut the neck off an empty balloon. Stretch this cut balloon over a sand-filled balloon to add a protective second layer. Label this outside layer with the mass of the balloon.